Welcome to this week's dose of Emuna for Shabbat Kodesh. The number 7. There are a lot of gematriot and numerologies going on in the Torah. Let's start by looking at the numerical value of Bereshit bara Elokim. It equals 1,202, the same number as Tanakh, Torah, Nevi'im, and Ktuvim, because Torah is the blueprint of creation. It's what drives the world forward, spiritually, physically, on all ends. As we know, there are many computer programs, but there's one particular computer program that takes all the letters of the Torah into the computer, and we know that there are billions of possible combinations, but we find unifying combinations that would take hundreds of years to be able to put together. But it's found so easily in today's technology and this particular Torah software. What was found through this software was that the number 7 has a lot of different significant and prevalent combinations. But it's not just the number 7, it's also multiples of 7, like 5 times 7, 9 times 7. Obviously, 7 combines the earthliness, the 6 days of creation, plus the ruchnius, Shabbat, Kodesh. So I'd like to be able to look at just some of the things that is written in terms of the mitzvot, in terms of our customs that are based on the number 7. 7 days of the week, 7 weeks of the Omer, 7 years of the Shemitah, 7 times 7 is the Yovel, the Jubilee year. 7 people are called up on Shabbat for the reading of the Torah. 7 days of Shiva'ah, unfortunately when someone sits in mourning. There's Sheva Brachot, the 7 days of blessings, the 7 blessings said after a wedding. 7 clean days after impurity. Tishrei is the 7th month, which contains, of course, so many amazing days. Let's even look at the first verse in Bereshit, and it contains 7 words, 28 letters, which is the multiple of 7. Count the number of times Elokim is mentioned in the story of creation. You'll find that it's 35, not 34, and not 36, a multiple of 7. Count the number of words in the story of the creation in general, 434. Add the 179 words in the 10 commandments, and it comes to 613 mitzvot. The world was created because of the Torah. It belongs together. If you look at the 6th day of creation, Yom HaShishi, Vayichulu Hashamayim V'Haaretz, the 6th day, and the heavens and the earth were finished. Count from the Yud at the end of Yom HaShishi, 7 letters, and further 7 letters, you're going to find the word Yisrael. What does it mean? Well, obviously there's a clear hint that the heaven and the earth were created Bishvil Yisrael, Shenikreu Reshit, for the sake of Yisrael, which is called the beginning, called Reshit. There are a lot of episodes in the Torah, but the idea is to understand that it's repeated 7 times. 7 is Shabbat. 7 is the day that signifies the reason why creation was from the beginning brought about. 7 is our beautiful day, our day of creation. Let's keep that in mind, Be'ezrat Hashem, the next time that we enter in Shabbat Kodesh. We are celebrating the day for which the whole reason of the Torah, mitzvot u'ma'asim tovim, were put together on this world. Have a wonderful Shabbat Kodesh.